Hi guys! Welcome again to my channel. Time to cook naman again because 3 weeks silang wala dito. Nagbakasyon sila sa Sri Lanka. Ito ang ating menu. Naku, ipafry yata itong ano. Ito ang ating menu guys for today. Indian sea bream with gunpowder potatoes, green beans, and water.
Auntie.
Oh, it's still hot.
No, because it's not working.
Oh my goodness. Why? I think it's broken. I think it's broken. So I'm gonna parang matagal itong ating potato, boiled potato. Kailangan natin magluto guys dahil for ano na tayo for 30. Ito yung mga ingredients niya nasa ang kailangan lang kasi dito guys kasi nasa box na siya. Basa-basa na lang tayo. Okay. Ano natin itong potato dahil matagal ito eh. Ito lang. Drink water na.
That is what.
It's not yours, this is for daddy.
But my daddy again. No, but my daddy said I'm gonna have it.
No, because the
I want my food with you. I want to make
oh,
food.
take this one, take this your ano, your no, you're sitting down. Ito naman ating makulit. Makulit. May makulit na naman tayo dito.
Hey,
Who's may kulit?
I want to sit down.
Okay, sit down.
Can take it.
Say hi first. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my channel. Tata. Say that.
Welcome
To the channel of Tata.
to the Italian Tata. What is this?
Potato.
Ah.
You make potato. This one Tata need to fry now so that
Okay.
okay. And then you help me to
Two.
peel the potato.
Yeah. Feed
Okay.
a potato.
Dash your gas in.
Is fish? Is fish?
Fish, yeah, fish. You like the fish? Yeah. It's a fish. I think you need this one to put the medicine.
No.
Yes, because
Yes.
she's making ano.
No.
Yes.
Fine.
You like the fish?
What is this?
Fish. Tata will fry the fish.
It's really bad.
It smell bad. So how do I smell bad? It's not smell bad. It's ano.
Hey,
You put the salt.
I'll put the salt
You put the salt.
here.
Yeah. Enough na yun. Too much. Don't put too much.
Why salt?
Yeah. You put the salt.
Why salt?
Salt.
Why put the salt?
So that there is taste the fish. If you don't have salt, no more taste the fish. You need to put this one, the fish. Fry, sieved dry, and season in both sides with curry powder. Okay. Curry powder. You need to put the curry powder. Both.
And I put it?
Yeah. Wait lang minute.
Where? Here?
Yeah. And then I thought I will make crab.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you put first your mouse in the outside so that you will make dry na.
No, you need to hurry. Put it out there.
Tata will put it outside, okay? Go down. If you, go down.
Why?
Because maybe you will fall down. That's why. You need to go down.
What?
Tata you will go outside. You will put the,
Put that.
one for you, one for Tata. Because
No.
there is two.
No, I don't want to hug you.
You don't want to, ano? Put the...
No.
Yes, you need to help me. Come on. You don't have mouse? You don't have mouse? You don't have mouse in the night? If you don't put this one in the ano, come on, wait for you. Yeah, it's wet. Yeah, it's wet. I told you, it's wet. Come on.
Smiley,
Huh?
it's drop.
It's boiling.
What's boiling?
It's boiling now.
Hey, why is coming water here?
Because Tata will... Sit down. Tata will try. Don't touch anything, huh?
Wow.
You will burn your hands.
No,
You will
because
go-
this is not burning.
Yeah, you will burn your finger. Then, you have to tato to ano?
What?
The beans.
The bean?
Bean.
Where's the bean?
The beans.
Where's the bean?
This one, beans.
Where's the beans?
Yeah, this one.
I'll put the beans.
Up in the moon. Yeah, head like this, oh. Remove. You put there. You put there.
I put the
Yeah.
beans.
No.
Do I scoop it? How do I feel?
Yeah, go like this, oh. Remove this one. Oh, like this, oh. Put. Papaya, ano ko lang eh, pampagulo.
I'll do it.
You do it, oh, remove. You try. You try to remove. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Where? Here?
Yeah, put it there. On the another side. Yeah, it's better. Oh, see? Now you know. Yeah? So
But
that
it's not cracking.
cry.
No. It's not cracking. Oh.
Yeah.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Nakulit ka na, papakulit. Pakulit ka na naman dito sa akin.
I have it.
What did you do in the Sri Lanka?
Uh,
You go
Space.
swimming,
yeah.
and then
Yeah.
you go the taxi,
Yeah.
the jeep, the jeep like in Philippines,
No. Yeah.
like in Philippines.
Yeah.
Wow, did you like it?
Yeah.
Wow. You like if you go to the Philippines, there
Yeah.
is also like this, the jeep. Ano? Yeah. If you go in the Philippines, there is a lot of jeep there, and then you go always like this, and tricycle.
You put.
And then you will eat. Did you eat a lot of coconut? Coconut?
Yeah.
You did? Mm. It's delicious, the coconut there.
Yeah.
Philippines is very delicious. It's fresh one.
Do you like Philippines?
Huh?
Do you like Philippines?
Yeah. I'm a Filipina. That's why I like Philippines. Philippines is my country. What do you think is my country? What?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. I will.
Don't bite me.
No, I'm not biting. No, I'm just pretend. Oh, what's up there? I just pretend. I'm not biting you. Oh. If Tata going to Philippines,
Yeah.
you're going also with Tata and Daddy and Mommy and your sister?
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
You're not going to Philippines with Mommy and Daddy and your sister?
No.
No?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not. Because I'm not in the. Because I have another country.
You have another country.
Yeah. I.
But you just only...
Beach.
Huh?
Sri Lanka.
You like... Yeah.
Sri Lanka is my country.
You're not Sri Lanka boy. You are Danish boy.
Yeah.
But you like ano? You know Sri Lanka is the same in Philippines. It's the same. Wait a minute. Same Philippines. Ay. So you need to visit in Philippines because the same in Sri Lanka with Daddy and Mommy. Yeah. And then you will say, "Hi Tata, I'm here in Philippines." Like that. Yeah. And then
Hey.
oh, you're gonna wash this one. Wash this one.
What?
Wash.
This one?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. You need to wash. Put in water.
What's water?
Here. Put water there. Come on, go down.
I can go down.
Mm.
You will help me?
Put water. Makulit ka. konti. Oh, enough na. Just leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave it. You play little bit because I'm frying the fish. Oh, see, make the oil little. Go play little bit. Because I'm frying the
I'll make